Welcome back to the Doomsday Prepper channel, where we are all about helping you stay safe and secure no matter what the world throws your way. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of home defense, security systems. Specifically, we're talking about hybrid CCTV security systems, the ultimate blend of traditional surveillance and cutting-edge smart technology. Hybrid CCTV systems have revolutionized home security by combining the best of both worlds, the reliability of traditional analog cameras and the convenience of smart tech features. But what exactly makes a hybrid CCTV system so special? Let's break it down. A hybrid CCTV system is a surveillance setup that integrates conventional wired cameras with smart technology like cloud storage, remote viewing, and AI-driven alerts. This combination provides enhanced reliability and flexibility, making it ideal for both preppers and everyday homeowners. Unlike older analog systems, which require a lot of manual intervention, hybrid systems can be managed and monitored from anywhere via your smartphone. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can keep a close eye on your property. Let's take a look at some of the standout features of a top-tier hybrid CCTV system, like the littymol security camera system, which has motion detection with AI. The cameras are equipped with advanced motion sensors that can distinguish between different types of movement, reducing false alarms from things like falling leaves or passing cars. It also has night vision. The hybrid systems often include powerful night vision capabilities, ensuring that your property is secure even in complete darkness. You get the best of both worlds with cloud storage for easy access to footage from anywhere, and local storage for added security in case of internet outages. Two-way audio. This allows you to communicate with anyone on your property directly through the camera, whether it's to deter a potential intruder or to give instructions to a delivery person. Integration with smart home devices. These systems can often be integrated with other smart home devices, allowing for seamless control and automation of your entire home security network. Why preppers should consider hybrid CCTV systems? For preppers, security is a top priority. A hybrid CCTV system offers several advantages. Redundancy. If one system fails, the other can take over. For example, if your internet goes down, you still have local recordings. Scalability. You can start with a basic setup and expand as needed, adding more cameras or integrating with other security devices. Real-time alerts. You'll receive instant notifications if the system detects any suspicious activity, allowing you to respond quickly. Disaster preparedness. In an SHTF scenario, having a reliable and versatile security system could make all the difference in keeping your home and loved ones safe. Setting up your hybrid CCTV system. Setting up a hybrid CCTV system is more straightforward than you might think. Today, we'll walk you through the basic steps using the littymol security camera system as an example. Unbox and inspect the equipment. Make sure all the components are present and in good condition. Install the cameras. Position your cameras around your property for maximum coverage, ensuring they are within reach of power sources and Wi-Fi if needed. Connect to the NVR, Network Video Recorder. This is where your footage is stored locally. Connect it to your home network. Configure the system. Use the accompanying app to connect the cameras to the cloud storage, set up motion detection zones, and customize alert settings. Test the system. Ensure everything is working correctly, including checking the live feeds, motion alerts, and recording features. A hybrid CCTV security system is an essential investment for any prepper serious about home security. With a blend of old-school reliability and modern convenience, these systems offer unparalleled protection and peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your home security, consider the littymol security camera system. I've included a link in the description below, so check it out. And here's the best part. Right now, you can get the littymol system at a massive 70% discount. Originally priced at $999.99, it's now just $299.99. That's an incredible deal for such a comprehensive security solution. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next episode in the PrepperTech Survival Series. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.